should have moved the tarp over like we originally planned.
What do you mean, move the tarp over?
Like over a little bit more.
You mean pull it back that way?
Yeah.
Well, it's too late now.
I know, I'm just saying. I think we really will have to stay in the car until it dries up just a little bit.
Watch out.
What do you think?
I don't know.
This is ridiculous.
Well, hopefully it'll stop in about an hour or so.
Yeah, but then everything's going to have to dry. We're going to have to dry everything out.
Well, hopefully it'll dry out by tomorrow morning. It rained this much last night.
It's not this hard, though.
Yes, it did.